Welcome to Unipro Waterproofing, where we take you through the essential protocols developed by us to future-proof the heart of your home, the foundation from capillary rise. Follow these steps to ensure a robust and waterproof foundation that stands the test of time. Step 1. Begin by grinding the cement lations, reinforcing the strength of your plinth beams. Our experts diligently fix honeycombs to enhance the structural integrity, providing a solid foundation for your home. Step 2. As plinth beam goes under soil, protecting the plinth beam from moisture is key. We use high-quality compounds to fortify your plinth beams against chlorides and salts, inside and outside. Remember, no plastering in the inner area before earth filling the plinth. Step 3. If masonry elevates the floor level, both inner and outer areas must be plastered. Waterproofing is exclusive to the inner areas along with plinth beam waterproofing. Step 4. If the plinth beam is used as a DPC, avoid waterproofing the inner 10 cm and the top area of the beam. If separate DPC is done above masonry, the outer as well as the inner area of 10 cm to be left free. This strategic approach ensures a lasting and effective damp-proof course called U-joint. Step 5. Before plastering outer areas, insert a mirror C groove. This isolates the foundation plastering from masonry, filled with non-water absorbing compounds for added protection. An additional mirror C groove is recommended on the outer area of DPC if done above elevated masonry for enhanced protection. Step 6. Post-earth filling. Before PCC flooring, execute a U-joint. This not only prevents water seepage but creates a monolithic joint between the DPC and PCC floor, enhancing the waterproofing course. Step 7. Consider PCC flooring as a waterproofing course. Use M20 grade and above with 8 mm downwards aggregates which can join properly with the DPC. This final process ensures a resilient shield against moisture, completing our comprehensive waterproofing process. At Unipro Waterproofing, we redefine foundation protection, which is unknown in the industry. Trust us to build not just homes but lasting legacies. Discover the Unipro difference today.